Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the business. Welcome, everybody. How everybody doing? So before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purpose only. So let's get right to it. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Lizzie, good morning. Exactly. Don't forget to hit the like and the way in. Thank you, ABS. Good morning, Ash. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our new member. Thank you for the support, Ash. Thank you for the support and me being a member on YouTube membership. Really appreciate the support. So let's get right to it, guys. We got a few minutes left. On the market open. Okay, Shopify and Intel. I will discuss Shopify and Intel for George, but let us wait George to come in here to discuss his requested stocks first. YCBD guys did a really great job here. YCBD was the top gainers for today. We already discussed it today on our pre-market watch list. As you know, we always do a watch list before the market open. In YCBD, we spotted this resistance around the $1.11, and we said the support is the 92 and profit taking around the 131. As you can see here, we hit the 135 and we pull back down. It was great hunt for our hunters on Discord. Again, we always do this update early, so you see now the stock is pulling back. So the best entry was in the pre-market. If you want to have pretty much early access, I will put the link to our Patreon in Discord if you want to join. As a reminder, we have a 7-day free trial right now. So use this opportunity in order to have access for our community and Patreon and Discord for free for 7 days. So good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. As we said, YCBD is putting back one of the top gainers and top unicorn for today. We already traded it early on in the pre-market. Now it's putting back. We might have a good reversal. So I'm watching for a reversal from the $1 psychological level. What else we got? PAVS looking fantastic as well. We have a nice jump, but now it's pulling back a little bit. Yeah. We got TLRY looking all right as well. We have a breakout in the pre-market around the 1140. TRY have reverse split lately, guys. BEAT, we got another resistance to break around the 269. And IRBT is pulling back down. So those the main stocks. We only have 6 of them today. I'm gonna double check if we got another stocks doing all right. The other stock that we discussed before, guys, it was the MIA, MAIA. We discussed this stock 2 days ago, and we warned our hunter for entry for this stock as well. So as you can see here, we said price target, we got 137 and 159. This alert, we did it 2 days ago, around the 10th of December for Mia. We did alerts warning for our hunter on Discord. And now, yesterday, we did 18%, and now is 5% up, nearly around our resistance now, and profit taking the 176 that we discussed it early on 2 days ago, once the price was around the 137, and now it is around the 170. So you can calculate. We almost did almost 30% jump. 30% jump for this stock. Not bad. Let's see if George is here. George, if you can hear me, I'm still waiting for you to come to cover your requested stock that you asked me in Discord. Good afternoon, John. Doing great. Thank you for asking. Hopefully you catch YCBD, brother. It was really great early on once we discussed it on our Discord. Now it's pulling back a lot. KPLT. Top loser for today, we got Fermi and Applied Therapeutic. Not ABLD, but APLT. FR. Yeah, volume is dead in pre-market for APLT. VFRMI, not bad. Already started to reverse. 40% in pre-market is going toward a critical level here, around almost the $10. So Fermi, not completely bad. Keeping it here on the waiting list. Okay, we got AKAN looking interesting. If it broke the 130, I'm gonna keep it on the main list. And KPLT the same. We have a really good reversal here from this trend. Huge reversal. Morning, everybody. Morning. Thank you, Karina, for let us know about Beyond Meat. Overall, short is almost 28%. Good morning, Norma. Wheat stock rally and the news of Trump. Trump is smoking weed in the White House. This will be the best catalyst for cannabis stock, and of course, will be the first president to smoke weed in the White House. Maybe already happened. I don't know. AXIL, AXIL, and OCG. OCG, not good, man. It's really not good here. It's bad, man. Below the 139 is bad. So if it broke 139, let me know. I will check it for you. This one, it is testing a bottom here around $7.11. However, right now it's kind of start to break, but the $8.39 should be the warning sign for a squeeze up toward the 970. So watch out for the 8 almost 40, yes. 840 should be the squeeze zone for the stock, and 711 is the support. So those the main stocks for today. Tier Y, everybody asked me about Tier Y. Tier Y is on the list here, guys. Tier Y is on the list. We got a really good breakout from the 1140, guys. Tier Y is doing fantastic because of the news of Donald Trump smoking a joint in the White House, I think. Tier Y share jumped 28 after report that President Trump smoked pot in the White House. Interesting. Hallelujah. So United States is legalizing marijuana. I'm joking, guys. I'm just joking. So Donald Trump is maybe ease the federal marijuana restriction. Interesting. This is would be interesting if we see all states legalize marijuana. But yeah, now is 38%. It's really interesting. Okay, Tier Y guys jumping like no other day. We got another buyer right now for Tier Y. Beat, nothing much. Your YSBD, KPLT is flushing down. I will give it a bit of time for a reversal here. If it held the $8 could be good, but now it's not good. AKAN looking okay. YCBD. KPLT, nope. So yeah, tier Y guys, we got interesting flush here. So I'm watching this resistance, guys, 1180, because we have a big seller around the 1180. I'm watching again for the support around the $10. Yeah, $10.40 and the 985 for a reversal. Will be fantastic if we have a reversal there. Oracle, we have a bit of indecision here. AVGO pulling back toward the bottom. LU, we have a breakout here. AVGO guys had earnings yesterday. So it looked really interesting here for a reversal, guys. AVGO looking juicy for a reversal. If we have a reversal, I'll watch for the 386 as a reversal zone. Could be a resistant. Checking the market, APLD is going up. B is holding the support. Mara, we have a nice jump up. Tesla jumping up. Unity is pulling back. Cryptos, nothing much, is neutral. Yeah, tier Y is breaking out again. We have indecision up and down here. Watch out, guys. Tier Y looking crazy volatile today. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the win. As we said yesterday, we did a nice hunt for our hunters. As a reminder, 2 days ago, we did a nice trade for MAIA. The price entry was around the 137. We already did even chart alert for it around the 145, and we hit the 158, 176 by today and yesterday. It was a really good hunt. As you can see here, now 6% hitting our profit taken. Those stocks, guys, we always discuss in our Discord and Patreon, the link comment section below. And the other stock that we traded the other day, it was, or today in pre-market, we did it on pre-market watch list. It was for YCBD, hit or broke the 111 and went toward the 130. We went over the 130. We tested the level of resistance and we flushed down. As you can see here, we pulled back down. It was really good for entry in the pre-market. Now tier Y, guys, we got kind of indecision here to break the 12. So I'm watching for a dip around the 1040 and the 985. For now is a bit risky. Shopify, George, if you can hear me, not my cup of tea for today for Shopify, man. Is light and volume. But if it pulled back down, I will be interested to buy some dip around the 149 and maybe the 136, but not now. Now is getting nearer resistant around the 182. INTC looking fantastic and strong. Have to break the 44 to go higher toward the 50. Wow, so Unity and Intel, both of them have a psychological level around the 50, but Unity already broke the 50 barrier. INTC still not. Interesting, really interesting for INTC to see the $50 because here, yes, the all-time high is around the 62. But yeah, it look really fantastic. So I'm gonna keep it on the main list here. Beat guys broke the resistance. Tier Y want to break the resistance again. Again, Tier Y have reverse split lately. Going back to the list. AVGO still trying to break. ADBE pushing back up. Interesting. Come on. AVGO guys looking really interesting for reversal here. Really interesting for a reversal. Yes, AVGO looking fantastic for reversal. Watch out, guys. AVGO looking juicy here around the 370. Cost nothing. LU the same is about to break the 209. Let's see, B, it's reverse from the 104. APLD, we kind of have a little breakout here around the 31. So we might go today around the 32, 31. Interesting. Yeah, yesterday we got a really good jump here. 7%. Yesterday we got really good dip here. Why I didn't see this dip, man? I was blind. Really, ABLD have a really good reversal. Tesla jumping up, guys. Okay, we got a huge jump, but for the other stocks like Palantir's pulling back and Unity, which are the strongest stock, we have unusual thing, guys. The stock that were really weak the days before now strong, and the only stock that were good and strong the last few days now is weak or pulling back, like Unity. Interesting trend. AVGO, guys, we got a really good juicy dip here. Really juicy dip because of earnings yesterday. Yesterday we have unusual activity for AVGO. It went up, then it went down. So I'm expecting a reversal here for AVGO. We have a new high around the 422, then we pull back now. And this reversal started right now. A little bit of reversal. So I'm gonna put alert here just in case if we go up, because we have to test this resistance around 386. Okay, beat nothing much. Beat just tested a new resistance around 278 and pulled back down. TRY, watch out, guys. TRY looking juicy for a dip, but is a bit risky because we no yeah, TRY. YCBD's pulled back, as we said, guys. This one was really good in the pre-market. Once we discuss it on our Discord around our special alert that we do daily before the market open for our hunters on Discord. YCBD hit our level, the 131, then pull back. Always the green line is the profit taken, and the orange line is the breakout. And usually the profit taken if you enter below it. So yeah, we suggest taking profit on for this one, and now it's pulling back. AKAN didn't break the 131. Beat is still kind of beaten down by the short seller. So I'm gonna put another support here for beat over the 234. Double checking the other stocks. KPLT started to reverse a little bit, but I don't like this kind of huge flush down. That's why I took it from the list. BAVS the same. AXIL light volume. Nothing much here. AVGO still waiting for another buyer to go up because this is a really good dip, guys, for AVGO. Really good dip. Expect a huge reversal right now because this is by far the best support, the $3.70. Yeah, the best support for today for AVGO. So I expect at least reversal until the 387. 387. This is just 3% reversal. And the best case scenario is going at least around the 395 and then maybe the 408. Yeah, AVGO is one of the top semiconductor stocks, guys. Yesterday have earnings, and the earnings is really good for the revenue, 18 billion. So breast 3% up, and earnings is up almost 5%. So it's not bad, man. And down 7%. So it's kind of discounted. Christmas come early, guys, for the stocks. For anybody interesting to buy the dip. Again, this is not financial advice. And AVGO stock didn't give me any money to advertise their company. I just see if there's opportunity and just see the chart. That's it. Interesting. We got beat still trying here. Where's Taylor Y, man? Did I take it from the list? Yeah, Taylor Y. Yes, Taylor Y is flushing down and is going toward a really good juicy support right now. Current seller right now for tier Y is around the 1121. Watch out, guys. 1121 should be a good dip for tier Y. Interesting. AVGO is still going down. Mara, we got Mara, we got a really good buyer right now for Mara. Yeah, we got a nice breakout for Mara here. Let me just add the support for Mara around the 1179. APLD, nothing much. Plug, nothing much. Palantir or Tesla going really up. I think we got some news for Tesla, guys. Elon Musk sold 56,000 shares of Tesla, or about 25 million, reducing his holding to 1 billion shares. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So if he have 1 million shares, 300,000, let's see. Yes, 300,000 shares multiplied by the price of the shares of Tesla. Let's see how much he owned. Holy baloney. So he have half a billion or 600 million worth of Tesla right now. 600 million. Just 600 million of Tesla. And he, so, so yeah, not a lot. I thought like he have at least 10 billion or something. So I think he sold a lot of Tesla. A lot of Tesla lately. Anyway, he's free to do whatever he wants with his shares. Ash, what about MNDY? MNDY. I will check it for you, brother. MNDY. Interesting. MNDY started to reverse from a huge pullback lately from the earnings here. 24%, yeah, pullback. Now start to reverse around the 167. Yes, MNDY looking interesting for a reversal, brother. Yes, sir. Thank you for the reminder, brother. I was watching it before, but it's kind of worrying to me. The last two earnings were really bad. So the price actually since August was 263 and we went until the 143. So we went in few months 45% down. So I'll be extremely careful with MNDY because if we don't break the 169, it's gonna go down further. But a high risk, high reward, guys. You can't make money without taking risk. So MNDY, I'm gonna keep it on the list here. If it broke the 169, I will be interested. Unity is pulling back, so time for shopping, guys. Unity tested the 52 all-time high and pulled back, so I'm watching for a dip for Unity because it's kind of overextended. The same for Palantir. It's kind of is about to break the trend here. So I'm watching for a pullback. Tesla is still overextended here. I'm not touching Tesla. It's a bit really risky around these prices. Yeah, too expensive for me. Okay, so AVGO, guys, holy baloney is kind of broke the support here. I think we're gonna have a nice drop for AVGO now. Yes, I think we're gonna have a huge drop because it broke a major support, from my opinion. Let's see if we're gonna reverse on the 336. Otherwise, we might have the 339 now because this is unusual, to be honest, that we reverse down without any reversal. Yeah, there's big seller came around the 377. Yeah, big seller just came for AVGY or AVGO. Okay, I'm gonna give it a bit of time for a reversal here. Interesting. I'm gonna put alert here around the 362. So it might drop another 2%. Otherwise, I will wait for another 6% drop. LULU, interesting. We got a nice jump for LULU right now. Yeah, we got a really good jump for it. ADBE, we got another buyer for ADB as well over the 348.33 at the market open. We did 2% already. Oracle is going down more. It was good to exit yesterday from Oracle. AVGO, it might start to reverse at any moment. Watch out, guys. AVGO is correcting. B, I think we might have another pullback down. B is a bit volatile. Unity, yes, officially we have a new low. Now it's 3% down. If it pulled back another 4 will be great. Okay, beat. We kind of broke the support. We go into the second support now for beat around 2.34. Tier Y is kind of reversing up a little bit, but it need to break the 1121. AKAN didn't do anything. YCBD is still below the resistance. IRBT, I don't like the trend anymore, man. Breaking the support and resistance is not stable, to be honest. It's too risky for me to trade. Gonna double check the main stocks for today. We got RYM. I think, John, you're gonna ask me about this. Let me just check the chat. RYM is not good, brother. If you ask me about this one, is not that good. It's too risky. ZDGE, on the other hand, it might be good. It might be good. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. ZDGE looking interesting. Okay. We got tier Y here, KPLT here, rent, Sandial jumping as well. Another cannabis stock, guys, jumping from a huge bottom here. Yeah, Sandial is kind of dead before and right now is reviving. Checking again. YCBD, RYM, APLT. No, it is on the top loser. Uh-huh. Yeah, this one is getting near a major resistance around the 470, so it's too dangerous now. Tier Y didn't break. Let's go back here. AVGO started to reverse a little bit. Cost nothing. LU nothing. RH nothing here. Cost. ADBE looking strong. Oracle looking a bit weak. Taking this. AZO, I don't like it. Snow. Yeah, those stocks had earnings lately. APLD is still holding. The same for B. Okay, so those the main stocks for today. YCBD, as we said, guys, the was really good in the pre-market watch list. As we said, the best entry usually in the pre-market before the market open. The exit was around the 130, the entry was around the $1.03. And now is going down big time, guys. If it didn't hold over this support, the 93, it might be game over. Beat the same $2.34, AKAN the same. We need to hold over the $1. Tier Y is testing the breakout. Testing a resistant, huge resistant around the 1125. Again, huge anticipation for cannabis stock because of Donald Trump. Donald Trump is smoking a joint. Someone said he's smoking a joint in the White House. And this has made all the cannabis stock going up. Imagine if that's true. Beyond Meat up and down. Yes, man. Nothing much is neutral right now. It's kind of dead. But the good thing is we currently over the $1.10, which is the current support. What up? What's up with open? Open 7. Yeah, it pulled back a little bit. But at least we didn't break the current support here. We kind of broke it. Okay, everybody. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. We're gonna do a major update for the stocks on our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, yes, we're gonna do update for AKN and YCBD and the rest of the stock in a bit on our Discord. In the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great weekend and see you all back by Monday to discuss the market in depth before Christmas. Thank you for watching, guys. And